Every dataset extracted with Minexa.ai is deterministic and repeatable, so whether you're scraping multiple flight route listings or single entries, you get consistent data every time. Navigate to your dataset page on voazul.com.br. The Minexa.ai scraper works whether you extract manually or use API pipelines for large-scale scraping. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to get started. It begins reading the page immediately once launched to identify data structures. Press the violet button labeled "I'm on the right page," so Minexa.ai can analyze the flight offers list and detect pagination or scrolling behavior instantly. Minexa.ai covers all pages automatically, detecting how to navigate through results, so your scraper runs smoothly every time without manual input. Choose List Only for faster scraping and lower credit usage, or select Detail pages to extract full content behind each flight offer if you need deeper data. Click Continue if you see the full dataset already. Switch to Advanced mode when the page requires interaction to reveal hidden data or trigger events. Confirm the highlighted block matches the flight offers data you want. This step is the only one needed before you can run extraction at any scale with Minexa.ai. Minexa.ai identifies all columns automatically, including flight routes, prices, dates, and locations. Select the fields you need and they'll appear exactly as shown in your export. Click the API request button to get code that handles multiple URLs in one call, returning all flight offers in a single structured JSON output. No automatic fill-ins occur. Click Complete Configuration, and any missing fields will remain blank, ensuring your data stays accurate and trustworthy. Minexa.ai automatically detects the Next Page button or lets you continue if there's no pagination, saving this setting for every extraction run. One click makes your scraper live. Set a schedule if you want data regularly. Then confirm to finalize your scraping job setup. Hit Run, and your dataset is generated immediately. You can export it to Excel, JSON, or Google Sheets right after completion for instant use. What you're seeing was pulled directly from the correct place on the page. Each column is locked to specific elements, so flight prices, dates, and routes never get mixed up. Missing fields are blank, not guessed, and rerunning yields identical results every time. Export your flight offers dataset in Excel or JSON formats. Rows and columns remain consistent, so your file is ready to use immediately. One scraper powers Excel, JSON, and Google Sheets exports, delivering consistent structure on every run to simplify your workflow.